Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my team and I, which is Group 7 from KBA2, we will presenting the topic that we chose for research in communication entitled The Effects of Mobile Games to Mental Health Among Students SMK Bukit Sentosa and SMUA Mahalia. This research was conducted to study the effects of mobile games among students of SMK Bukit Sentosa and SMUA Mahalia. This study involved 100 students, which are 50 from SMK Bukit Sentosa and 50 from SMUA Mahalia. This study uses a descriptive quantitative method that uses questionnaire to collect data. The results of the study found that students spend a lot of time on these games, and there are also implications for mental health in adolescents if playing excessively. This study also presents some suggestions to overcome mental health problems caused by mobile games. Nowadays, smartphone technology is very important for us to facilitate our daily affairs and communication, especially if there is a pandemic or obstacle that leads to all affairs to be done virtually. The video games or electronic games are one of the attraction for students, so each of them are eager to have their very own smartphone or gadget. According to Dayan Trikorawardjani and Adi Farudin 2010, video games or electronic games can be played by using a console, personal computer, hand control system, as well as online internet games. Thus, these games are more realistic and interesting.
Alright, now we move to the background of this research. In today's era of globalization, online mobile games are a popular social activity for teenagers nowadays, and it allows them to interact with each other more widely. In general, mobile games also have many advantages according to past research, which is explained in detail in literature review, such as relieving stress, strengthening social relationship, and adding new members to cyberspace. However, playing mobile games excessively can give a negative impact on users, such as abandoning their responsibilities, stress, and maybe stuck into addiction. So our research is to study based on the perspective of the students about the effect of mobile games on their mental health.
So I will present our chapter 2 for research communication. Basically, we have divided this chapter into 7 subtopics: the introduction, the definition of mobile games that are popular and trending nowadays, the relationship between playing mobile game and student mental health, the positive and negative impact of playing mobile games towards students' mental health, conceptual framework, and lastly, the conclusion. The use of mobile phones is very wide. It is our daily life. It is our work. We will finish our work very fast. But there are students that have their own mobile phone and they frequently playing mobile games. In this research, we want to know the impact of playing mobile games, whether it is positive or negative. Mr. Dilip 2019 said that mobile games can be defined as game conducted with network functionality with handheld portable devices. So, as far as I concern, Warzone is the most popular battle royale game, such as PUBG, Free Fire, Rule of Survival, and so on. Even there are many games available worldwide nowadays, but only certain will survive and successful in long period time. There are too many positive and negative impact of playing mobile games, but sometimes people didn't see the good and benefits of mobile game, but it has the benefits of mobile games. First thing first, the positive impact of playing mobile games is encourage students be more focused on the goals they want to achieve. And then second, playing mobile games lead to emotional stability. Means that when they are in stress, they play mobile games, they tend to emotional stability. After that, negative impact of playing mobile games. Okay, student will face serious gaming disorder. This is very dangerous. Okay, gaming disorder can be detected if students play mobile games 4 hours and above per day. Second one is students will be more aggressive in their daily life. It is because they tend to apply what they see and what they learn in the game into real life. So for the conclusion, technology nowadays is good for us because it can help us on finishing our work very fast and very efficiently, but it also can cause a tremendous damage to us. We have to wise using it. The appearance of mobile gaming actually can be beneficial and give advantages to us, but it also can cause harm and give a bad impacts in our life. Thank you.
The methodology is a set of methods used to conduct research on a particular study subject. Therefore, this section will discuss the research design, research sample, research instrument, and process of analyzing the data to answer the research question that have been submitted earlier. This study is a descriptive field study. Field studies are conducted based on matters related to sampling, measurement, and data analysis. This study is also quantitative study because it uses questionnaires that are analyzed descriptively. In this study, the instrument used to obtain data is to use questionnaire distributed by the internet using the Google Form platform. For the population and sample in this research, the respondents who have been selected in this study are secondary school students in two schools, which are SMK Bukit Sentosa and SMUA Mahlia Geting. Distribution of questionnaire form. When this study was conducted, the researchers distributed questionnaires to 100 respondents consisting of students in two schools, namely SMK Bukit Sentosa and SMUA Mahlia Geting. That's all. Thank you.
How to get the data or information? We use questionnaire. Questionnaire will prepare based on the objectivity of the study, which is find out how much time students take to play mobile games, and study the impact on mental health, and study how to solve the problems. This questionnaire consists of 4 parts, which is part A, part B, part C, and part D. Part A, which is about the demographic of the respondent. Part B is about the question is about based on how much time students take on mobile games. Part C is about the effect on mobile games to the student's mind, and part D is related to the way of solving the mental problem faced by students as a result of playing mobile games. Processing and presenting data. Descriptive statistical method are used to analyze data in the form of Likert scale. This Likert scale data is calculated manually into percentage and frequency. The data collected will be presented in form of the table, pie chart, and bar graph. After that, the scale is used to make the description of the bar graph. Student questionnaire. Next, analysis. The student questionnaire will be analyzed with statistical package for social science, which is SPSS, using frequency and percentage statistical procedure. Next, the following are the data analysis procedure in SPSS. First, data were collected from student respondent. Second, data is entered into the SPSS data editor. Next, data are analyzed using specific statistical procedure. Last, the result of the analysis are displayed in SPSS output navigator. Reliability analysis. The reliability test of the mobile games impact questionnaire on mental health of the students was conducted involving a total of 100 students from SMK Bukit Sentosa and SMU Mahlia Genting. Group random sampling was used to test the reliability of the questionnaire, and the Cronbach's alpha internal consistency method was used.